biggest celebrations in all of Bicol. There's nowhere as big as Naga. And that's why everybody flocks to Naga when there is a celebration. While I think about it, there's a blogger called Christopher Lane. Hi Chris. He's a nice guy. He's got a young daughter and a Filipino wife here. He lives in Cebu and he does some really good videos. So I just want you to go over to Chris's channel, have a look, give him some support. See what you think, leave him a message. My God, helicopter. Leave him a message and subscribe to his channel because he is a good guy. I'm sure you like his videos. Look, these guys that are going to pull the dome, they're not wearing any slippers. The majority of them, they're in bare feet. Well, all of them were in bare feet. These guys aren't, but the ones that are going to pull will be in bare feet, and that's why they're wetting the road, so they're not burning their feet basically and passing out, because one or two did pass out last year with the heat. And you can see it better now that there's a lot of them not wearing the slippers, sandals, whatever you want to call them. And even if they are, they'll be taking them off on the way back. And that's why a lot of them, not a lot, but some in the past have had heart attacks and God knows what because of the heat. And that's why they're wetting the road. And as if on cue, the heavens open up. It's absolutely pouring down, but it's just as well because it's cooling everybody down. Maybe where's that? I've not got the waterproof case on my GoPro. It's getting a bit wet. But look at this. It's that slippy they can't get up, look. Just to see people, it's amazing. What an atmosphere. Even the rain doesn't dampen the spirits. this is what you can expect in the Philippines. 1 minute it's sunny, next minute the heavens just open up. What do you think, Mel?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Nothing like getting in with the crowd. There's a lot of these, they've had a lot to drink. So it's just as well it's not really hot, because I think a lot of them would be passing out. The rain's cooled everything down a bit. You okay, babe? You enjoying? You look tired. So like I said before, the Lady of Peñafrancia has been taken down to the cathedral. So we'll take a last bit of video there, then we'll get off, get something to eat. Because I know my baby's hungry, she's always hungry, I don't need to ask her. Now last year there was people on the roof here throwing bottles of water into the crowd. But by the looks of it, they're only throwing water on them this year. Wow, it's really hot though. Humid. Yeah. Mine is soaking wet with the rain. We'll need a wash. Just take a look at all these army vehicles. The army compared to last year, I would say, is trebled. The presence is felt everywhere around Naga. All carrying automatic weapons. So I guess they're leaving nothing to chance. exciting but tiring day. The rain's not dampened anybody's spirits. I've got quite a bit of video, but I ran out of memory on my GoPro, but we should still get some good video. I've had a great day, as I knew I would, because the atmosphere is just fantastic. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Just enjoy the end bit, and we'll take them into the cathedral, and like I said before, they stay here for 9 days before they're taken out and took to, what's the other church? The Basilica Church, and then they go from there to the fluvial procession, not possession, procession. So that'll be it. So it's goodbye from me, goodbye from Mel, goodbye from Edwin.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Robert Cole, Dr. Philippines, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlox, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Zarther Gregory, M. Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jim Alvair, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Robert Bull, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Ryan Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, a Brit's Philippines destination. Big thanks to all of you.